Today, I am going to show you how to create a digital scrapbook carousel in Canva. And I'll also give you the free template at the end so you can just replace the photos and upload it straight to Instagram. Let's get into it. All right, open Canva and click the plus icon to create a new design. Click on Social Media and choose Instagram. You'll see the post size 1080 by 1350 pixels. Note the width, 1080 pixels. Now open a calculator. Enter that width and multiply it by the number of posts you want in your carousel. I want 4 posts, so I'll multiply 180 by 4. This gives us the total width we need for our design. Now go back to Canva and create a custom design using the total width we just calculated. Add the height and click Create New Design. This gives you a long horizontal canvas where you'll design all posts in one single canvas and crop them later. Give this project a name so later you can find it easily. To make designing easier, click on File, open Settings, and enable Guides. This will add helpful grids to your design. Click on Custom and add the number of columns you decided on earlier. Set the gap value to 0 to avoid spacing between the guides. Then click Add Guide. Now you have clear visual columns, making it super easy to align and overlap elements across different slides. Now let me quickly show you how to design the carousel. Go to Elements and open Frames. Here you'll find different frame styles. First, let's add this basic frame, adjust its size, and move it to the bottom. Now let's add a paper frame at the top. I'll choose this one. Adjust its size and position. Let's add a stroke to the paper frame. Change the stroke color to white. Next, let's add another frame and place it here. Let's add photos inside. Change the grid color to white too. Now you know the concept. Just keep adding different frames and graphics to design your carousel. I'll pause and design it quickly so the video doesn't get too long. And don't worry, I'll give you the free template so you don't have to design it yourself. Okay, so I've designed this. I'll add more frames and graphics to make it look cool. The next step is to crop the carousel so we can upload it on Instagram. To do that, we need to install a free app. Go to Apps and search for Split. You'll find different options. I usually use this one. Click on it to install. Now click on Export Design. Choose PNG and click Export. In the rows, set it to 1. In the columns, add the number of posts you created. I'll add 4. This will crop our image into 4 separate pieces. Leave the other settings as they are and click Split Image. And our image is now cropped into 4 parts. Now let's add these to the Instagram post size. Click on the little arrow and search for Instagram. Choose your size. Delete the background color and increase the size. Now add your first image. Click Set as Background. And our image is set as a background. Next, add the remaining images to new pages one by one. Once all your images are placed, disable the guides since we no longer need them. Now you're ready to download your carousel. Click on Share, then Download. Exclude the first page. Click Done, and download your final images. And that's it. You're ready to upload your beautifully designed Instagram carousel. And that's how you create a digital scrapbook carousel in Canva, completely from scratch. If you want the free template, Just comment "template" below and I'll share the link with you in the replies. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next one.